Hayi siyakhala bafethu kuGenesis. Nasibonela bafethu ke umama kaNisi of which is ubaba umfundisi, the pastor's wife, is not happy about Ishmael's actions. Uyasho ke bafethu lana ukuthi yena nje ayekho happy, ayekho comfortable ngoIshmael nalento ayenzile banobuhle, because she actually trusted Ishmael to be a good boy, umuntu oyiphethe kahle and a very disciplined artist. But after what she heard ukuthi banobuhle balalile and whatsoever, lokhu akuze kupastor, she was not happy and she felt like yena uIshmael is gonna influence uNisi, because ingane zikama mfundisi nomfundisi ziyazwana noIshmael, you understand that they get along with Ishmael. So manje lo mama lona uyasho ukuthi hayibo, what if uIshmael uyafika manje azo influence uNisi? She is not happy about that, you understand? Akekho happy futhi ngendlela engibona ngayo mama ngathi akekho happy nokuba khona kwaIshmael lapha endlini, because umfundisi was told everything and I think he let Ishmael stay for a while. Ngalena ke bafethu the drama continues between uFelicia ke benoBonko. uBonko ke iqiniso lakhe bafethu is being exposed. It's being exposed. uFelicia yalazi iqiniso ngoBonko. You understand that? Because umsisi on the last episode umtshele yonke into. Umsisi dished out everything, every information umsisi umtshelile uFelicia. And uFelicia ayithathi kahle lento le uFelicia nakancane. She's angry, she's tense about it. Awukho mnandi nje between yena noBonko. It's constantly war, you understand? Lana ke bambuza uBonko ukuthi did you leak i-album kaMaruna? uBonko hayibo, uBonko uphika but ke sonke siyazi bafethu, if you watching Genesis, you know uBonko did not leak the album. He did not leak the album, you understand? So he had to ukuphika, bekumele aphike, because obviously akayenzanga lento lena laba cons uyenzile, yabo. So he had to deny ukuthi no man, angilika ngamini album kaMaruna. Mase bambuza ke futhi ukuthi okay, awulika ngealbum kodwa ulalile noMaruna. Yo, you'll see Bonko's reaction in that, guys. Yo, it was getting even much more tense there. So bafethu aqhubeka lapha ubaba umfundisi is trying to convince and console lapha uma umfundisi amtshela ukuthi hayibo lo mfana lo fragile. Baba umfundisi uyamazi Ishmael. Baba umfundisi knows Ishmael. He knows how fragile he is. He knows his attitude. He knows him in and out. You understand? So noma mfundisi ke nje ayimphathi kahle into etshela umfundisi ukuthi hayibo bona banobuhle, had like an affair. They had an affair. And I feel like I'm repeating this part, guys, but it's fine. I guess you saw this part previously. Yeah, cha uFelicia ke bafethu uyasho ukuthi cha lento ayenzile uBonke ngamanyala ngesizulu. I'm sorry to actually take out the word, but ke there's no other way of describing it. Uyasho ukuthi what Bonko did was disgusting. And uBonko ke is trying so hard fethu ukuthi yena akazona noFelicia umama wakhe, but uFelicia doesn't want to hear anything. You understand? Uyazama bafethu, I know Felicia ucabanga ukuthi wenziwa islima uFelicia, you understand? Like these people, I feel like this episode was just about uBonko noFelicia. The tension that they have, the family tension that they have, it was between them, honestly. Zachariah is back to his drinking ways, guys. Uhleze iphuzela nje lo malume. Ele Rotman balithwala ke manje balisa kaWendi. Yabo, uWendi ke is Zachariah's sister. So laba abantu laba ke emphakathini bayama lapha egethini bafuna uWendi avulela uZachariah ubhuti wakhe. But uWendi ke is a person who does not really care, because if you watch the previous episodes, guys, uWendi and Zachariah aren't really getting along. Laba abantu laba, they never get along. They don't see eye to eye. They never see eye to eye. Ngalena kumafitho ke bafethu nje uthi relaxele ngalena. Amuko Boyki lapha namagang. Boyki uyamtshela kumafitho ukuthi mfethu, pay these people. Yabo, pay these people. These people are actually doing you a favor, protecting you nabo Ishmael, when Ishmael was actually wanted by uBonko. The time Ishmael actually came to approach uNobuhle at home, wayehambe namajita, a group of guys and gangsters or whatsoever. So Boyki amtshela ukuthi mfethu, pay these people. Bakhokhele labantu labo, or else you're gonna be in trouble. They're gonna get into the house, take whatever they wanna take. They're gonna take furniture. They're gonna put uBoyki also into trouble. You understand? Ngalena yabafethu hayi cha umsizi uthengiwe. Thengiwe umsizi ayikho lento. Thengiwe lo mjita. You understand? So basically umsizi ke dished out everything, even the personal stuff zakaBonko, betraying his friend uBonko etshela uFelicia information. But Gabriel is happy about it because this whole thing is causing war. Iphaka impi ngempela nje lo Gabriel is very happy to hear the good news ukuthi uMsizi actually was ratting out uBonko. He was actually writing out uBonko to Felicia because utshela uFelicia yonke into ukuthi uBonko slept with Maruna. Bonko was the one who leaked the album, of which Bonko was not the one who leaked the album. He was not the one at all. You understand? So bamthenga uMsizi bafethu. They even offered him money on the table, but thatha mfana usebenzile. Gcineni uMsizi ugcine ethathile imali. Gabriel the Hoodman, he's ruling him. It's not looking good for Uncle Zakaria. Zakaria. Hayi bafethu lo muntu uyaphuza lona. So lana kuyabonakala bafethu Zakaria is not feeling well. Actually updates Zakaria ukuthi he has a liver problem and his days are actually numbered. Senenzo encane zokuphila. uWendy does not seem to care. Akanandaba nje uWendy. Akanandaba nakancane. Hayi sibuyele kubonke bafethu noFelicia. Hayi. uBonko ke wants to know ukuthi ubani lo otshela uFelicia yonke into. Uyambuza ke uFelicia ukuthi ubani utshele yonke lento leyo. Umsizi nokutshelile le information then. Ukutshelile nomsizi le information. Njengoba nje uqhamuka nje guns blazing. Phela Felicia is all guns blazing to uBonko. She's all war to uBonko. So uBonko wants reassurance ukuthi who told Felicia, who fed Felicia this whole information thing? Tshela ubani. You understand? Kuyadinga ukwazi uBonko ukuthi utshela ubani. You understand? So I don't think Felicia actually disclosed the person or exposed the person kuBonko mtshelile ukuthi I know umsizi umtshelile whatever, because we all know what Bonko is capable of doing once he finds out who was ratting him out. We all know what he's capable of, because Gabriel Buffett is the main villain. But I'm not even like, I'm confused ukuthi why lo muntu engabanjwa. Hey, siqhubeke bafethu ke yeah. So it's the bad news yabona. Uncle Zakaria no wenda bazange bazwane bafethu. Let you know. Yabona Uncle Zakaria sold uWendy out to Maruna, telling uMaruna and the whole family ukuthi no, baba kaMaruna ikhalade whatsoever. uWendy, I think it's her time to actually retaliate for what Zakaria has been doing. These guys nje always fight like high school kids. Jalo bayalo. Yabo. So Mpumi is actually concerned ukuthi hayibo mama, don't do this. Don't do that, because uZakaria is uWendy's brother. You understand? So they must take care of uZakaria. Yabo. So hey bafethu ayikushubile ngempela, kushubile. I'm sorry guys, I feel like these parts are actually repeating themselves, but again, back to war again. Bonko, Felicia are at war again. Ayi Bonko ke kuthi uqamba manga uBonko ke bafethu. Bonko ke naye is acting all nonchalant about the situation, actually referring the situation as Felicia's fault, because Felicia was the one who actually reunited uBonko noMaruna to work together. So manje uBonko is taking it as Felicia was the one who actually wanted them together, you understand? Because I quote, Bonko says Maruna was the love of his life. It did not make sense for a while. How can Bonko actually say it? Maruna was the love of his life. You understand? The tension continues, bafethu. Ishmael mayithi ayibuzela ukuthi uNisi uphi. Ayilo mama ke pendula ngendlela zakhe lo ukuthi hayi cha uNisi uhambile on a trip yabona uyifundisa ukuyiphatha. Now Ishmael is actually wondering ukuthi what is he actually doing in that table? Ufuna ngale tafula la because he feels unwanted by lo mama lona. But ke umfundisi is protecting Ishmael by all costs, you understand? Uzawasho Ishmael ukuthi hayibo manguthi ke bekuyiphutha ukuthi ngize la mina ngobuyela lapha ngihlala noMafitotho lapha emkhukhwini. I'll go back to the shack and live with Mafitotho because it's a waste of time having to be on the same table nale family ka baba umfundisi. Baba umfundisi made it clear to Ishmael ukuthi hey, don't come and talk nonsense. Yabona, he is willing to actually be there for Ishmael and protect him. He is not going anywhere. Ishmael akayindawo, so he has to chill. Yabona. Bafethu, the fire keeps burning la. Gotabet, the fire keeps burning. And ngiyamzwela lo mama shem. Felicia, I feel for Felicia. Yabo. Felicia keeps on fighting this Maruna sleeping with Bonko thing and this thing of Maruna's album being leaked, because obviously bafethu akumhambeli kahle uFelicia Genesis. Yabona, everyone is against uFelicia lapha Genesis because Genesis hasn't been making good marketing sales for Maruna's album. And again, for what we know, guys, uMaruna bengakayidrop i-album yakhe Genesis. In fact, Genesis bengakayidrop i-album kaMaruna, it was close to the finish, but the album was actually leaked, as we all know. So manje the fire keeps burning, Vetu. Felicia is now exposing everything that had happened in the house, because Maruna used to live in Bagathabet and then she moved. You understand? Now, it seems as if Ubongo was actually overprotective over Maruna. But in a sense, it does not actually make good sense. Why are you actually overprotecting the person you actually divorced with? Maruna and Ubongo divorced. Then the thing that happened was vice versa. When Maruna and Bongo had their problems, and when Maruna was actually living under Felicia's house, Oetu slept with Ubongo when they were drunk, you understand? And that very same father of Ubongo, stepfather, which is Gabriel, was the one who slept with Maruna. So manje Felicia is actually awakening everything, and everyone is actually getting worried. They see there's tension over here. Nabo nobuhle bayaphuma, yabo. So once bephuma bafethu, Felicia starts having a problem. I don't know if it's a stroke or a heart attack. I don't want to exaggerate things and mislead people, but ngiyabona bafethu Sithombeni, as you can see in the picture, Felicia is not even feeling well. I could write about this whole thing. This whole thing is actually tight. It's pressurizing her, yabona. I could write again, and everyone is trying to calm her down, yabona. Bonke uzophuma nasemotweni. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen next on the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you tune in to Genesis. He plays every day, Monday to Friday, 7:30 on Mzansi Magic, bafethu. Now, she's thinking about Ishmael. She's thinking about the memories. Also, don't say Ishmael. Hey, this power couple, bafethu, I know. Benze okuningi ngempela ndawonye, you understand. So they're thinking about each other because they have been distant. Remember, guys, there was tension and labantu babanjiwe. They were caught by umama kaNobuhle, which is Felicia. They caught uNobuhle no Ishmael sleeping on the same bed. So manje there's tension, obviously, and these people seem not to actually live in the same house no more. I'm not even sure where Ishmael is right here, but all I can say is ngiyambona Ishmael bafethu naye ucabanga isithandwa sakhe lapha uNobuhle, yabona, because they haven't been like together ever since they were like spending time together and whatsoever. But at least they're keeping contact with each other, bayafonelana and stuff, yabona. People have feelings over each other here. Jumpile. Ngiyabonga bafethu, danko. Don't forget to tune in, don't forget to subscribe. Ngiyabonga, danko.